Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine and healthy in their homes. We are welcome to the chemistry online classes conducted by Smitra Memorial Academy, Losal. Today we are discuss organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the branch of chemistry we read itself carbon and their derivatives like hydrocarbons are known as organic chemistry. The symbol of carbon is C and atomic number of carbon is 6. Then it contains 4 electrons in their outermost orbit. So carbon normally form covalent bond. The bond is formed by the sharing of electron is known as covalent bond. Carbon nature is covalent because it is made of 4 covalent bonds like single, like double single, like single triple, like double or double. If we are find the hybridization in any carbon, we are see the surrounding bonds. If carbon atom contain only single bond, then these are sp3 hybrid. If it contain a double bond, then it is sp2 hybrid. It contain a triple bond, then sp hybrid. And it contain a two double bond, then these are sp hybrid. For example, we are seeing longest chain of carbon. Find the question is find the hybridization of each carbon atom. So you are see the surrounding of each carbon. These are bound represent only single bond. Then these are sp3 hybrid. These are represent only single bond, sp3 hybrid. These are sp3 hybrid. These are sp3 hybrid. These carbon represent a triple bond, then sp hybrid. These carbon represent triple bond, then sp hybrid. These carbon represent double bond, then sp2 hybrid. These carbon represent double bond, then sp2 hybrid. And these carbon represent only single bond, then sp3 hybrid. So easily we are find the hybridization of any carbon atom due to the presence of double, single or triple. Next, degree of carbon. One degree, 2 degree, 3 degree or 4 degree means primary, secondary, tertiary or quaternary carbon atom. If any carbon attached with another carbon or alkyl or aryl group, then these are known as primary. If any carbon attached with 2 alkyl groups or carbon atoms, then these are known as secondary. If any carbon attached with 3 carbon atom, then these are known as tertiary. Then if any carbon attached with 4 carbon atom, then these are known as quaternary carbon atoms like RCH3. RCH2R, RCHR and RCR. Okay. Then these carbon attach only one alkyl group, then these are 1 degree, these are 2 degree, these are 3 degree, and these are 4 degree. If a question arise, for example, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, CH3. Find the degree of each carbon. Okay. These carbon attach only one carbon, then these are 1 degree. This carbon 1 or 1, 2 degree. This carbon 1, 2 and 3, then 3 degree. This carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 degree. These are 1 degree. These are 2 degree. These are 1 degree and these are 1 degree. Easily we are find the degree of carbon. Now we are discuss the hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbons? We are discussing only the important topics which are related to the 12th organic chemistry. Only these topics are discussed. What is hydrocarbon? Carbon plus hydrogen derivatives are known as hydrocarbons. You are learning in 11th class. Carbon plus hydrogen derivative is known as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon is divided into two parts. First is the open chain compound. Second is the closed chain compound. Closed chain compound is divided into two parts. First is the homocyclic. Second is the heterocyclic. Homocyclic is divided into further two parts. Alicyclic or aromatic. Aromatic is further divided into two parts. Benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Open chain means these are in this compound ring is not found like this. These are known as open chain compound. In this compound ring is formed like this. Homocyclic, if a ring only is made by only carbon atoms, these are known as homocyclic. If in a ring any other element is found, then these are known as heterocyclic, like CH2, CH2, and these are heterocyclic compound. Alicyclic, aromatic normally benzene ring represented करते हैं C6H6 benzene, CH, 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 and CH. Alternate double single bond present and number of carbon is 6. These compounds are known as aromatic. If we are burn these compounds, these are give black smoke. If any organic compound burn with white smoke, then these are known as alicyclic compound. Benzenoid, those compounds which are represent the benzene structures, benzene properties, these are known as benzenoid. But some compounds not represent benzene, but actually these are show the property of aromatic compounds. These are known as non-benzenoid. Take a screenshot. Now we discuss important topics which are related to 12th. These are only general information. Now we are discuss important topics which are related to our 12th class syllabus. Reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism. What is reaction mechanism? What is a chemical reaction? What is chemical reaction? We all know that reactant and product. Reactant is converted into the product. These are known as a chemical reaction. डिफाइन करें तो डिफाइन कैसे कर सकते हैं हम? Old bond is break and new bond is formed. Old bond in the presence of a reactant is converted into new bond and form the product. Then these are known as chemical reaction. Old bond decompose and a new bond formation. Bond formation or bond cleavage, main important topics. Bond cleavage. Without bond cleavage, reactant is not converted into product. So these are most important factor. Bond cleavage. Bond cleavage in any chemical reaction are of two types. First is homolytic cleavage, and second is heterolytic cleavage. Bond cleavage is two types, homolytic and heterolytic. Homolytic cleavage are found in non-polar compound. Non-polar means same electronegativity atom or group contain compound, means same electronegativity होगी और इनके क्या होगा, mu is equal to क्या होगा, equal to 0. What is mu? Mu is the dipole moment represented by mu is equal to charge into distance between charge. If mu is equal to 0, then these are non-polar. If mu is equal to non-zero, then these are polar. So these are the factors to find the nature of any compound. Heterolytic bond cleavage are found in polar compounds, polar molecules. Means mu is equal to is not equal to 0. Different electronegativity atom or group containing compound. Homolytic bond cleavage, ठीक है, homolytic bond cleavage are found in non-polar, means same electronegativity or mu is equal to क्या है 0. Then bond cleavage is homolytic type. If heterolytic polar compounds, mu is equal to not equal to 0. Different electronegativity atom or group containing compounds. Understood? Now we have discussed homolytic bond cleavage and heterolytic bond cleavage. Homolytic bond cleavage. If a bond is bigger in the middle, only here we are discussing covalent bond because carbon contain only covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed by 2 electrons. If a bond is bigger in the middle, then this electron is going to one atom and this electron is going to another atom. Then this type of bond cleavage is known as homolytic bond cleavage. In this condition, unpaired electrons are found in the atoms or groups. These are very reactive because it is contain unpaired electron, so it is very fast reactive and to form a stable compound. For example, A and A bond is decomposed. One atom contain one these A plus A. Cl in the presence of sunlight, what is decomposed? Then Cl plus Cl. These are known as free radical. These are known as free radical. Unpaired electron atoms or groups are known as free radical. More examples: CH3H. In the presence of sunlight, CH3 free radical plus H free radical, methyl free radical and hydrogen free radical. Other examples: ethane, what is decomposed? Then CH3 free radical plus CH3 free radical. So methyl free radical. If a homolytic bond cleavage is found in any reaction, then reaction intermediate is found is free radical. Free radical contain unpaired electrons. Take a screenshot. Next, we are discuss heterolytic bond cleavage. Found in a polar compound means mu is not equal to 0. A covalent bond is formed by two electrons. If any atoms or groups attract both electrons of a covalent bond, then this type of bond cleavage is known as heterolytic bond fission. For example, A and B are different electronegativity elements. If B is a more electronegative element as compared to A, then both electrons of covalent bond are attracted by the B. In this condition, these are electron rich and these are electron deficient. Then it gain positively charged and these gain negatively charged. Then A plus and B minus. For example, others CH3Cl. We are know chlorine is the more electron negative element as compared to carbon. Then both electron is attracted by the chlorine and then CH3 gain a positive charge and Cl gain a negative charge. Other example, CH3 Br, both electron is attracted by Br, then CH3 gain a positive plus Br gain negative. Positive charge carbon atom are known as carbonium ion or carbocation or carbonium ion. Now discuss CH3H. These carbon is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. Then carbon is attract both the sharing electron. Then carbon gain negative charge and hydrogen gain positive charge. The negative charge species of carbon are known as carbanion. Are known as carbanion or carbanion. So these are these bond cleavage is known as heterolytic bond cleavage. We are discussing in a homolytic bond fission, bond cleavage. CH3H in the presence of sunlight, CH3 free radical plus H free radical. In this condition, CH3 form carbon ion and a hydrogen ion. So you are not confused because this reaction is complete in the presence of sunlight. This reaction is complete in the presence of sunlight, but this reaction is in normal condition. In normal condition, carbon is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. Then these are attracted the both the electron and form carbon ion. But these in this reaction is completed by the presence of sunlight. Sunlight give energy. Then these bond is formed in the middle and free radical is formed. Understood? Take a screenshot. Now we are discuss the most important things. These are responsible to any complete any reaction. Attacking reagent. These reagents are attacked to reactant and converted into product. Because any reactant is in a neutral condition, these are not want to be react to any other compounds, any other elements, any other atoms. But attacking reagent attack on the reactant and create unstable condition. After this, reactant is converted into the product. So these are known as attacking reagent. Then attacking reagent are of three types. First is free radical. Second is electrophile. Third is nucleophile. These are made by homolytic bond cleavage. Electrophile and nucleophile both are found in heterolytic bond cleavage. We are discussed before what is the free radicals. Let me discuss the free radical. Atom or groups of atoms, it contain unpaired electron are known as free radicals. Means CH3 bond is decomposed in the middle in the presence of sunlight, one electron and one electron, then CH3 plus CH3 free radical. Unpaired electron contained compound are known as free radicals. We have discussed the previous topic is very much clearly. Now we have discussed only electrophile and nucleophile. What is electrophile and what is nucleophile? Lover of electrons are known as electrophiles and lover of nucleus is known as nucleophile. Electrophile को क्या कहते हैं हम? लवर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. न्यूक्लियोफाइल lover of nucleus. Lover of nucleus means these are attacked on those places which represent the more quantity of electrons. These are attacked only those places which are represent the electron deficiency, because electron contain a negative charge and nucleus contain a positive charge. Like for example, HCl. bond is decomposed, electron is chlorine is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. In this condition, H represent positive charge and Cl represent negative charge. These are attacking reagent. We are discussing which is electrophile and which is nucleophile. Electrophile is attacked with electrophile is a lover of electrons, means those place attack which represent more quantity of electrons, and nucleophile attack on those places which represent the electron deficiency place. Any elements. These are positive charge, these are negative charge. Then all negative charge species attack on positive charge. All negative charge species attack on positive charge because these are formed a stable product. So all negatively charged species or those species which have more quantity of electrons like NH3, H2O. If these are work, these are known as nucleophile because these are attacked on those places which are electron deficient. Positive and negative react to each other and form a stable neutral compound. Because hydrogen is positive and nuclear is positive, then positive is not react to each other. Positive and positive is not react to each other and not form a stable compound, but a negative charge species is attached to positive charge species and form a stable neutral compound. Then all negatively charged species and those species which have more number of electrons, all are known as nucleophile. Understood? Then we are discuss positive charge. Positive charge species is attacked on negative charge species because positive is react with a negative and form a stable compound. So all positive charge species like NO2 positive, BF3 or electron deficient species. All positive charge species or electron deficient species are work as electrophile. Understood? Like more examples, H and Cn, we are decompose HCN, H plus Cn minus, H2SO4, then H plus HSO4 minus, HBr, H plus Br minus. So all positive charge contain compound CH3COOH, then CH3COO minus plus H plus. So all positive charge species are known as electrophile, work as electrophilic attacking reagent. Or all negative charge species like these are known as nucleophile. Understood? So we are discussing two topics which are related to 12th organic chemistry. First topic is bond cleavage. Bond cleavage is two types, homolytic and heterolytic cleavage. Then after that we are discussing the attacking reagent. Attacking reagent, three attacking reagent, free radical, electrophile and nucleophile. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, चैनल बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें.